Hey everyone, West Coast Lot Car here. Been on Marketplace and looking for some models to do a scratch build and all that. So finally pulled the trigger today. And let's take a look and see what I found. So this is what I picked up: Greg Moore slash Patrick Caponche IndyCar. Had to do that. Greg Moore is a local driver from Vancouver here. He used to race in the kart series back in the 90s until he lost his life in 99 in a tragic accident. So I figured, do Greg Moore, go off the deep end here into IndyCar. It's not going to be the easiest build, but, go big or go home. And saying that, I did go big, and I got two of them. So I'm going to do one painted up as Greg Moore, and then one painted up as Patrick Caponche. And we're going to open these suckers up. Oh, we're going to open one up and see what's all involved here. And then I'll do a series of videos on the build. So I'll get the camera set and we'll open one of these suckers. All right, let's see what we got. Of course, I gotta pick the dullest knife in my shop. These are mint boxes. I'm gonna probably pick one more up. The guy had one more. And I'll just keep it sealed. So let's take a look here. Nice. Very nice. Here's the rims. And the rubbers. Still kind of pliable. Not too bad. I'll make some molds out of these. This is what I'm really looking forward to. Look, mint set of decals. Both. It's got Greg Moore's number and Patrick Caponche's number. Frickin' sweet. Put that back in the plastic container. Comes with some glue. Don't know how well this is going to be holding up. This model is 26 years old. Model kit instructions. Well, this is going to be awesome. Can't wait for this. Cannot wait. Wicked. Put that off to the side, put the tires back in. All right, let's get this out of the bag here. Freaking cool. That's a seat. Front suspension. I'm going to do a through axle on that, so that's going to be good. This is what we're looking for right here. The body pan. Looks like we're gonna have a fair bit of room. Gonna have to do a lot of customization, but you know, it's scratch build. This is what we're gonna do, right? What's really cool about this model, as I was reading the box on the way home, is it comes with 2 different type of wing setups. One for road course, and then one for speedways. Here's the main fuselage. Sit down on that. That'll be all right. Side panels. Some aero stuff. Comes with the driver with decals for the helmet, so you can make it original, so you can actually have Greg Moore and Patrick Capongier's helmets. Very cool. And then here are the 2 noses with the wings, 2 different sets of wings as well. I'm gonna do that interchangeable. Frickin' cool. All right, guys, this is the first step to the scratch build. Like and subscribe. There's definitely going to be more about this. Hopefully I can pull this off on my first try. And then I'm going to make another one. And then more and more and more. All right, guys, stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Till next time.